Magpahanggang sa ngayon nga ay patuloy pa ring viral at pinagpipestahan sa social media ang tinaguriang Philippine Gold Medalist. Marami na nga sa mga netizens ang nakikurious ngayon kung ano nga ba ang nasa likod ng naturang viral. Nag-umpisa nga ang lahat matapos kumalat sa social media ang ilang mga malalaswang video at litrato ng isang babae at lalaki na di umano ay may ginagawang kababalaghan. Maraming shares na nga ang nasabing video at sobrang kalat na ito ngayon sa online world. Kaya naman nababahala ang ilang netizens sa patuloy na pagkalat ng naturang video. May isang attorney nga ang naglabas ng kanyang saloobin patungkol nga sa viral na ito. Ito ang kanyang naging buong pahayag. What's really disturbing about the gold medalist video issue is how some people are openly asking for the video or even posting PM me for a copy as if it's something to be proud of. Parang ipinagmamalaki pa ang pagiging manyak. The behavior is not only disgusting, it is illegal. Republic Act number 995, the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act is very clear. The law does not just punish the taking of intimate videos. It also punishes copying, reproducing, sharing, selling, and even privately sending them. And here's the part people keep ignoring. The prohibition applies even at consent to the record the video was given. Kahit pumayag pang mag-video, once it is shared without consent, krimen na yon. So no, walang lusot. Curious lang, nakita ko lang or one time lang are not defenses. Asking for the video, saving it, forwarding it makes you part of the violation. Every click and every share extends the harm. So in the case of the person who allegedly shared the video 6,087 times, there is also 687 counts under RA 995. Being viral does not erase the law. Being a public figure does not remove a person's right to privacy. If anything, this situation exposes how normalized harassment and objectification have become online. At the end of the day, this is about basic dignity. Stop asking, stop sharing, stop turning someone's private moment into public consumption. The law is clear and you should our moral compass be.